Hello, this is Rocky here with Pranic Lifestyle, and here's the crystals that we're going to be using to basically clean all of your chakras, all your energy centers, and help disconnect any negative people or like negative events or like memories. We can help disintegrate those with certain colored energies, and then the energy of the crystal makes it like really sharp. And then we're gonna make the room that you're in like filled with healing energy and divine energy. Um, so just give me a second here. Thank you for divinely healing all the people's chakras that are watching. All the people that are watching. All their chakras are divinely healed with divine healing energy. Your chakras and aura is filled with green energy. The room that you're in and your entire aura is filled with green energy. Your entire house is filled with green energy. Now you're filled with violet energy, purplish white energy. All the negative energy connections and cords are disintegrated. All of your chakras and all of your emotions and your mental body is filled with divine energy. Your aura is filled with pink light, pink light, pink light. So yeah, that's basically some of just a little bit about like what you're gonna learn. And down below, I'm gonna be offering you trial membership to the Prank Lifestyle online course. And typically it's like an 8 week course where we get together with you every week, with a live webinar to teach you all about the Prank Lifestyle using essential oils, crystals, and gemstone rings to help make your chakras bigger and help purify your life. But not only that, but to help calm the mind and calm the emotions and help stabilize your energy to where it's your own energy and not like influenced like from all the outside energy, and how to insulate and protect your energy, but also to have stillness, to find stillness, like inner stillness where the mind completely stops and it's just silence. Because typically when people, they close their eyes, their mind is just racing, and I'm the same way. But so I have to meditate every day, and we'll show you all these meditations that you can do to still your mind, but also to help generate good karma, which will help change all aspects of your life, relationships, the finances, the physical, all the different levels of your life. We'll be teaching how to make them better in the Prank Lifestyle online course. So go ahead and check it out below. Have a good day.